are beautiful, but
A sick freak.
Go! SpongeBob, stop ringing this bell.
I was just it.
I will ring the bell. There hasn't been one all day, and there isn't gonna be any. SpongeBob!
One Krabby Patty.
You are on crack.
What's wrong, Mr. Krab?
There's got to be grab me captain's quarters.
Fucking right in the pussy.
A sick freak. The Rock says, "Oh hell yeah!"
Wait. Takes more muscles to frown than to smile. Okay, let's get down to business.
A sick freak.
You get to run the cash register.
Squidward!
What is it?
You forgot.
You're on your own.
I can't believe this is really happening. Today, I start living!
No!
Oh, I am not. I just remembered I needed.
It doesn't matter!
I'll beat him there! Ha ha!